guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash haul. Specifically in this video I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite things I've gotten from Amazon recently, and I'm also going to show you what I got from Young Living, like for my monthly wellness haul. I'm sure I'm not the only one who's been doing a little bit too much online shopping lately. And it doesn't help that everyone else is uploading their Amazon hauls on YouTube and I'm just watching them all and it makes me want to buy more. And it doesn't help that we just moved, so I feel like every time I think of something we need, I just go on Amazon, order it really quick, and then it's done. So the convenience of Amazon is a blessing and a curse, am I right? So like I said, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite things I've gotten from Amazon recently, and I'm also going to show you what I got from Young Living this month. And I think that's it. So let's get on into it. Okay, so one of the first things I wanted to show you from Amazon is this shower curtain. If you have been watching our moving series, you'll have seen us put this up. So yeah, we got this shower curtain when we moved, and it was actually like $5. I was a little worried because some of the reviews were a little iffy, but it's because it doesn't really look like the picture. So the picture shows, I mean, it has shells and starfish, but it looks more like realistic, whereas this in person looks more cartoony. But I still kind of like it, so it really doesn't bother me. I mean, it was only $5. You can't complain about that. Okay, so the other things I've gotten off Amazon recently is this protein powder. Hi, Havoc. So this is Synthesix Cold Stone Creamery Birthday Cake Remix protein powder. Oh my god. You guys, it makes any smoothie or protein shake taste like a milkshake. It's so good, so good, so good. 10 out of 10. Each serving is 200 calories, 15 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, 22 grams of protein, and only 4 grams of sugar. And it also has amino acids in it, muscle recovery, things like that. So I really like it. I also got these women's probiotics. These have prebiotics, probiotics, and cranberry supplement in it. So it's like a 3-in-1, and it's very affordable. I'm going to link everything that I mentioned down below. That way if you guys are interested, you can, you know, take a look and order it for yourself. But I want to say this is only like, I can't remember the price. I'll leave the price somewhere on the screen. But you get 60 capsules in here. Now you do have to take 2 per serving. Hi. You do have to take 2, so it's a 30-day supply, but it's very affordable and it's really good. Alright, I've also been trying to find a sports bra that I really like, and Amazon does have some really good options. Now, these aren't like the... Can you stop moving the camera, please? Now, the ones I'm going to show you, they're not the perfect sports bra yet, but they are really good, so I still wanted to share them. So this came in a 3-pack. This is Fruit of the Loom. It's just like a basic sports bra. These are really comfortable. So if you would just want a comfortable sports bra, then this is the one you need to get. I think it was like a 3-pack. Very affordable. It's just the Fruit of the Loom brand. And they come in different color options. So the one I got had blue, black, and white. And it's really, really comfortable. It's super soft. It doesn't dig in or anything. But obviously it doesn't really offer that much support. So then I decided to go with this one, which was a little more expensive but still affordable. Now the thing is, this one is really supportive and it's really nice quality, especially from Amazon. Like, it actually has wire and it's got the hook and eye closure in the back, so you don't have to like pull it over your head. So that's a really nice feature. But it's not the most comfortable. So it kind of depends. Like, if I was doing a really intense workout, I would definitely wear this one because I know that, you know, nothing's going anywhere. But it's definitely not comfortable. Like, I wouldn't wear it for like a long workout, or if I was just doing like yoga or something, this would not be a good sports spot for that. But it's very breathable and it's very supportive. So if you're doing like a very intense short workout, then this is definitely the one to go with. Now, if you watch the vlogs, again, you'll have seen that when we moved, the previous owners left us a bottle of wine in our new home, and I was super excited to drink it, but then I realized I didn't have a wine opener. So Amazon came to the rescue. I finally have my first wine opener. Again, I just got, you know, a very affordable one, but this is pretty good quality. It's very easy to use. You just twist this part into the cork and it, you know, naturally comes up like that. And when it's all the way up, then you push it down and it pulls the cork out. So very user friendly. I had never used these before. It didn't come with directions, so I was a little worried that I wasn't going to do it properly, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It kind of just does it itself. You just start twisting and it starts doing its magic. So highly recommend this. Oh, this is probably like my favorite. Is it my favorite? I don't know. This might be the favorite thing in this haul. So these are some headphones. They're the ones that fold up for space saving. Now, I much prefer over-the-head headphones versus earbuds. I think I have weirdly shaped ears because earbuds like never are comfortable for me. So I much prefer these. They go over your head. Now, they're not officially labeled as noise canceling. It definitely like muffles any outside noise, which is really helpful. I like using these when I work out, and they really don't move around too much when I'm doing like a spin class or something. It's not wireless, but it does have the little controls here, and I like this because it also has a built-in microphone, so it could hook up to your phone if you want to take a phone call or something. So it's really nice, and I like how the cord is like that woven fabric. It's not like cheap plastic that my cat can chew through, because he does that. But yeah, I highly recommend these. I love the color. They're super comfortable, and the sound quality is really good. So I highly recommend those. Next up, I wanted some new house slippers. So I really like these. They have like a cute bow detail right there. And they come in different colors. And I like these because they're washable. So like when you wear slippers over time, they get a little dirty. So you can just throw these in the wash. And I've actually already washed them once and they turned out just fine. Obviously they don't get 100% clean like brand new, but they got pretty clean again. So I really like these. They're really comfortable. They have almost like a memory foam. Super comfortable, and they're really cute. And I also like how they have like a real like reinforced bottom. So if I wanted to wear them like on the front porch or in the front yard or the back deck or something, I don't feel like they're gonna get all gross. Now this is my most recent purchase, and I'm really excited about these. These are Muji pens, and I got this like colorful, how many come in this? 12 pack. It's a 12 pack of different colors. And I also got just like 3 black ones on the side. So I'll link those down below too. But there's just the Muji gel pens. Now these are from Japan. So like you kind of have to get them on Amazon. But yeah, it's the 0.5 tip, and it comes in different colors. These write beautifully. If you're a pen addict like I am, these are the ones that I just keep coming back to. Usually I like always am trying different ones, and I like to experiment, and I get bored of the same pen, but I just keep coming back to these. I don't know why. They're fine enough, but they're not too fine, and they're like jelly enough, but they're not too like goopy. It's just perfect. The only downside is I prefer clicky pens, but these, you know, have a cap, which is not that big of a deal, but they're really good. I highly recommend these pens. Every time I use these pens, I get compliments, or if I let someone borrow it really quick, they're like, oh my god, where did you get this? These are really good. All right, so that's everything I've gotten from Amazon recently. So now we're gonna get into the Young Living order. If you guys never heard of Young Living, most people know it as an essential oil company, but they have other stuff too, and I do like the Essential Rewards monthly order every month. So basically the way it works is when you sign up and become a member, you can enroll in Essential Rewards if you want to. But honestly, the reason why I did is because you get free products every month, and they give you points back. You get like 10% back for the first 3 months, and then after that you get like 20% back, I think. It's definitely like really good reward system for sure. But I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to become a Young Living member. I am a distributor, so it is considered an affiliate link, but I'll just leave it down below in case you're curious, or if you have any questions, just let me know. But basically, the reason why I started buying these products is because I was having some like hormonal health issues a couple years ago, and I was doing some research, and I realized that a lot of the products that, especially products for women, which is kind of disheartening, but anyway, that's a whole nother topic. But a lot of products have toxic ingredients in them and parabens and things that have been proven to be super harmful to your body, and that disrupt your hormones in your body. And I realized that I was using a lot of those products, and I just decided to go cold turkey. I got rid of everything that was considered toxic, or anything that had parabens, anything that was hormone disrupting, and I tried to slowly switch to non-toxic alternatives. And Young Living is a great brand that offers alternatives to all those things. And I really love using essential oils, so it's helpful that they also sell those on their website, so I love it. But anyway, enough of that. This is what I got for the month of May. Okay, so first, this is something I've never tried before from them. It's a roller. It's Tranquil. So this is a blend that's like pre-made in a roller already. It has lavender, cedarwood, coconut oil, and Roman chamomile. So this one's really good for sleeping or if you're trying to like calm yourself down. Obviously, we all know the amazing benefits of lavender. If you don't, go Google it, because lavender is like, they call it the Swiss Army knife of all oils because it like does everything. And then cedarwood is another great one for sleep because it actually triggers your brain to release melatonin. And then Roman chamomile is another good one for sleep and just for like relaxing and calming. And the coconut oil helps to kind of like dilute it a little bit and make it in the roller format. So I really want to smell this. I've never gotten this one before. I'm really excited. So you just take off the little sticker. It comes in this little case. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. This is great to like just roll on your neck and on your forearms and your chest for when you want to like relax at the end of the night. I especially like using something like this when I'm getting ready for bed. That way my body has time to like soak it in and absorb it. That way by the time I get to bed, I'm already tired enough and I fall asleep like that. It's actually another reason why I started using essential oils is because I was having a lot of issues with my sleep. And ever since I started using oils, my sleep has been amazing. All right, next I got, oh, these are all ones I got for free. Yeah, so I got a free 5 milliliter bottle of lavender, which again, this is great for sleep. It's also great for your skin. Like if you have any kind of like irritation, it's really good for that too. I actually had some irritation on my scalp the other day because I used a shampoo that didn't agree with my skin, I guess. So I just used some shea oil and I put some drops of lavender in there and I put it on where I was getting the scalp irritation, and by the next day it had improved dramatically. So I think it was a lot to do with this. Obviously the shea oil probably helped too, but this definitely helps like calm your skin down if it's irritated. Another one I got for free. This wasn't one of their free promos, but I just had enough points to get this. This is Peace and Calming, one of my other favorites. I mean, you can tell by the name what it's for, but it smells amazing. It's got tangerine, orange, ylang-ylang, patchouli, and blue tansy. Oh my gosh, I love it. So it's like one of my favorite oils that they have. It's amazing. And you get this in the starter kit too, I believe. Yeah, you get Peace and Calming in the starter kit and you get lavender in the starter kit too. So those are really good ones. I also got these for free. This one is EndoFlex. So this is a blend of things that you're supposed to use daily. And I think it's for your thyroid too. Okay, yeah, so it says it balances the endocrine system and supports adrenal glands. So yeah, it's called EndoFlex because it helps support your endocrine system, like your thyroid, your pituitary glands, your adrenal glands, things like that. So I got that one for free. And then the other one I got for free is Longevity Vitality Oil. Never smelled this one either. What is this? It has thyme, orange, clove, and frankincense. Ooh. So yeah, those I got for free. What else? And then the big purchase I got this month is Ningxia. So Ningxia is like a drink that they sell. It's called Ningxia Red. It's a supplement that's like super rich in antioxidants. And if you don't know the benefits for why you should have antioxidants in your diet, you should definitely look it up. It's just like a great, powerful supplement that your body really needs to help fight off disease and, you know, all kinds of things. So it comes in these big bottles like this. It's a wolfberry supplement. So it says Ningxia Red combines the extraordinary wolfberry superfruit with 100% pure essential oils and a powerful whole body nutrient infusion. The benefits of the legendary Ningxia wolfberry have been sought after for centuries, and ongoing research continues to yield exciting new health properties. Enjoy its naturally delicious flavor daily to sustain energy and to fortify and replenish key nutrients for long-lasting health and wellness. So yeah, it's really great. You just take like a shot of it. I do it every morning, but you could even do it like twice a day if you want like a little pick-me-up in the afternoon. It tastes good. It's just like a fruity, you know, juice kind of taste, but it tastes really good. So they have this like Essential Rewards combo pack where you get 4 of these bottles, and then you also get 30 of the little travel packs. Look like this. They're like little juice packets. So these are great for traveling. But yeah, this kit is like the best value for the money, and you also get the most points back if you get this kit versus just getting like one of these every time you need one. And when I buy this, it lasts me like months. So this is great. Like one of these usually lasts me like a month. So this will last me like 4 months. And then if I count these, that's like 5 months. So it's a really good value. And I just do that every few months or so to stock up. That way I don't have to buy it so often. But yeah, that is all I got. So really all I bought was this Ningxia kit, and then I got this roller, the Tranquil Roller. Everything else was free. So like I said, the rewards are really good. Obviously I'm not sponsored or anything. This is just stuff that I buy and I really like it. So I just figured I would do an unboxing and share with you guys. If you have any questions about Young Living, I guess just let me know. I'll try to answer them the best I can. Right? And that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you give this video a like if you want to see more unboxings and hauls, because your girl shops a lot. Spends a lot of money. So I definitely have a lot to share in that department. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. And I'll see you guys every Wednesday and Sunday with a new video. Bye.